Can you share a breakthrough in your research enabled by bioinformatics?
I think that computational biology and bioinformatics are really core components of proteomics. We wouldn't have the breadth of proteomics without bioinformatics. My research integrates virology with proteomics, and computational approaches have allowed us to answer quite a few questions. Like when we analyze microscopy data, it allowed us to uncover mechanisms regulating organelle remodeling, like peroxisomes. When we use computational approaches for proteomics data, it allowed us to characterize the proteome composition of cells within a virus microenvironment and find proteome signatures that really translate to how infectable that cell is, how susceptible it is to infection, and what it means for the spread of an infection within a virus microenvironment. I think for us it's really important that they capture the complexity and dynamics of a system. So in particular dynamics. Dynamics is really hard to gauge and to gain insights into with bioinformatic tools. The other thing is to consider all the different types of new data sets that are being developed, new post-translation modification, crosstalks, protein interactions, and how do we integrate all these different proteome data sets, or how do we integrate multiomic data sets. And this is clearly an area explored by so many scientists, but I think we still have a long way to go to actually really get there and get to the system's dynamics as well, and get to the process and biology and pathologies. On a broader scale, not at the molecular level, we know that each of us has we have our own personal virome. These sort of different data sets, if they are accessible in computing power, we can start to better understand our personal viromes. What does that mean in terms of our health and predisposition for certain diseases? What does it mean for understanding even viral evolution, or how are we influenced by our environment? And then, of course, they can help us to discover new viruses, either from the viral genomes that we know, that we start to learn more and more about the multitude of viruses that surround us. So these sort of data sets would be tremendously valuable in so many different ways.